Hello, my name's Bea Carmichael, Global Educator in Styling, and we're here to talk about scalp tightness, and this is due to an aging scalp. You can see here on Olivia's hair, sometimes that can look like your scalp just feels tight, so even when you're moving it, it feels a little bit tight, or you might notice it as dry patches as well. So something that isn't necessarily all over the scalp, but just in areas. We're going to be applying our Scalp Solutions Overnight Scalp Renewal Serum. And we're just going to apply this directly to the scalp. So as long as you can see the scalp, and then you're just going to drop and massage in. When we've applied this all the way through the scalp, you might be thinking, will this leave my scalp feeling a little bit greasy? Not at all. This is designed really to help maintain that healthy balance of the scalp. You should get instant relief, especially if you're feeling that your scalp does feel a bit tight, or there's these dry patches, or maybe even a little bit of redness. You're going to notice that there'll be less redness and it should feel less tight, so that you've got this nice kind of cool tone to the scalp. And the great thing about this is you can use it any time of the day or night, whatever you're doing. So as soon as you feel like your scalp is a little bit tight, just apply this. So the best way to get the maximum benefit of using your Scalp Solution system is to use the system in full. So you're going to use your shampoo and conditioner. And one of the reasons behind it is all the gorgeous ingredients. So we've got babassu oil, which helps moisturize and hydrate. We've also got moringa oil as well, that really helps just nourish the scalp. So it's worth using the system to see the benefits. By using the system and using the shampoo and conditioner, you'll notice that your scalp just feels hydrated and moisturized.